Hey everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we have a new upload, you'll get notified. So today I want to share with you this beautiful lace stitch pattern that you can use to make beautiful beachwear cover-ups. Yeah, so I hope you're going to enjoy this tutorial to the end. Please remember to give this video a like, share, and leave a sweet comment in the comment section. So apart from beachwear cover-ups, you can also make a very beautiful shawl using this lace stitch pattern, or you can also make a table runner using this. So let's get into the video. All right, so I'm going to use a hook size 3.5 millimeter and a medium weight yarn. This is Winter King, a Kenyan brand, and it's 100% acrylic. So for this pattern, we are going to make a foundation chain of multiples of 6. So make a number that is multiples of 6, and I'm going to make a total of 24 chains. So we first make a slip knot and then chain. So I'm going to make 24 and I'll come back show you what to do next. All right, so I have my foundation chain of a total of 24 chains, and we are going to add 3 more chains as our turning chains. So 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chains will count as the first double crochet. So yarn over and go into the next chain, that is the 4th chain from the hook. Insert your hook right there and grab yarn to make a double crochet. So in our first row we are going to make 1 double crochet in each and every chain across, and at the end of this row you will be having a total of 25 stitches. So keep making double crochets, and I'll meet you at the end to show you what to do next. We have come to the end of our first row and we have a total of 25 stitches in this case. And now to begin the second row, chain 1 and turn your work. In this very first stitch, insert your hook, grab yarn, pull through to make a single crochet. Make 2 chains, skip 2 stitches, and in the third make a V-stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook in that third chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Then chain 1, yarn over, go back into the same stitch, insert your hook, grab yarn, pull through, grab yarn, pull through. So that is a V-stitch. Then chain 2, skip 2 stitches, in the third make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, in the third make a V-stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, in the third a single crochet. Chain 2, skip 2 stitches, and in the third a V-stitch. So we are alternating between single crochet and V-stitch, which are separated by chain 2 spaces. As you can see, a single crochet, V-stitch, then chain 2. The next will be a single crochet, chain 2, next will be a V-stitch, then chain 2 and make a single crochet on top of the third chain. You remember the first 3 chains that count as the first double crochet, right? So we've completed row 2. To begin row 3, you're going to chain 5. Now this chain 5 count as a double crochet and chain 2. So chain 5, then turn, yarn over. In the chain 1 space on top of the V-stitch, we are going to make a shell stitch. So a shell stitch is a cluster of 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same space. Chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Skip all these and go into the next V-stitch, make a shell stitch. Chain 5, go into the next V-stitch, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets in the same space, chain 5 into the next V-stitch, make a shell stitch. And chain 2, yarn over, go into the last stitch, which is a single crochet, and make a double crochet. All right, remember we started with chain 5, which was 3 chains count as a double crochet and chain 2, and now we end with chain 2, then a double crochet. Now the next row, which is row number 4, we are going to repeat row number 2. So chain 1, turn your work. In the first stitch, make a single crochet, then chain 2, yarn over, go into the shell stitch and make a V-stitch. Chain 2, count 2 chains, 1 2, and in the third we are going to make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip the 2 chains and go into the shell stitch and make a V stitch. Chain 2, count 2 chains, and in the third insert your hook, grab yarn to make a single crochet, then chain 2 and go into the shell stitch, make a V stitch. Chain 2, skip 2 chains, in the third make a single crochet, then chain 2 and make a V stitch in the next shell stitch. then chain 2 and go into the last into the third chain, 1 2 3, and make a single crochet. That's how we complete row 4. Next row, which is row 5, we're going to repeat row number 3. So chain 5, turn your work and make a shell stitch on top of the V stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook and make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. So this lace stitch pattern is a repeat of 2 rows. That's row number 2 and row number 3. Okay, as you can see, our row number 4 is a repeat of row number 2. Our row number 5 is a repeat of row number 3, and row number 6 will be a repeat of this. So it's a 2-row repeat, very easy to work, and it has a very nice texture. So our next thing is to chain 5 and skip all these, go into the V stitch and make a shell stitch. So you can keep on repeating these rows until you master this pattern, and you can try to make something out of it. You can make a shawl, a rectangular shawl, or you can make a table runner. I have made a mini skirt cover up with this shell, but I was working in rounds instead of rows. Yeah, here I'm showing you this pattern using rows, but I've worked a skirt cover up with in rounds. Yeah, so this is how it turned out, and it's very stretchy. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial to this point. Please, if you did, give it a thumbs up, share, and also leave a sweet comment in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.